Substack, MidasPlus.com. You see the stories we're breaking while corporate news bends the knee and while they break. Here's what Donald Trump posted this moments ago. Now 1 million more pages on Epstein are found. DOJ is being forced to spend all of its time on this Democrat-inspired hoax. When do they say no more and work on election fraud, etc.? The Dems are the ones who worked with Epstein, not the Republicans. Release all of their names, embarrass them, and get back to helping our country. The radical left doesn't want people talking about Trump and Republican success. Only a long ago dead Jeffrey Epstein, just another witch hunt. So once again, Donald Trump is referring to the Epstein files as a hoax. He's saying that it is a witch hunt. The amount of re-traumatizing of survivors is hard to even put in words what's taking place when Donald Trump continues to make posts like this. And his behavior is like this, and it obviously speaks to a vile cover-up. Also, you have Donald Trump saying, go after the Democrats, embarrass them, shame the Democrats, and shame them. This is not a political thing. This is not about shaming Democrats, Republicans, independents. What it is about is exposing this child sex trafficking ring and all of the perpetrators who have been involved. And the Trump regime has been treating the perpetrators, the individuals who are co-conspirators, the individuals who had been hanging out with Epstein as though they are the victims while engaging in this heinous conduct against the victims. As we posted here on the Midas Touch Network, this move is deeply offensive to Epstein's work reported on the missing 1 million emails. Here's what I wrote, and Trump's now got to respond to it, and he's panicking, he's losing it. I wrote, this email from Epstein SDNY, Southern District of New York prosecutors, in 2020 suggests that there are approximately 1.2 million records being imaged in just one hard drive. I wrote there are likely other hard drives as well. I would not be surprised if there are actually tens of millions of records. You see this email Friday, October 30th, 2020. The subject is phone call follow-up. It's from prosecutors to contractors in the Southern District of New York who are likely working on document production and document review. And it says, good afternoon, following up on our earlier phone conversation, a hard drive with the following production is being sent to SDNY via FedEx with the following production in the US versus Epstein workspace. Then it lists 1 through 7, SDNY production 8 through SDNY production 14, with SDNY production 11 having 6 subparts. 6-part production in SDNY 11. Then the drafter of this email goes, there are approximately 1.2 million records currently being imaged. The images will be available on Monday, November 2nd, 2020 at the earliest. The production of the records will begin as soon as the images are available in the workspace. The workspace is the electronic discovery tools that are being used to review these millions of records. So in fact, it's very easy to access these records. Why? Because they're already uploaded on a workspace. So all it would be doing is accessing the software where these files are uploaded, which SDNY certainly has, and then moving them to whatever document software is being used here to make this production. And of course, the DOJ was aware about it. They had access to this email. They produced this email. So they could have reached out to SDNY. And also, didn't Pam Bondi say that all the files were on her desk as of February of 2025? Remember that? And remember when they said there were no co-conspirators, but now we know there were at least 10 co-conspirators who the DOJ were thinking about charging?
Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Here we bring you a real story from the US media. Today story is important, it is serious, and it is going viral across America. A powerful US media network exposed Donald Trump. After that, Trump responded, but instead of claiming things done, he lost control. People across the United States are watching it closely. Supporters, cities, and independent voters are all paying attentions. So what really happened? What did the media exposed? Why did Trump expert this way? Let's explain everything step by step. Okay, who is the media network? The media network is called Media Touch. Media Touch is based in the United States. It's focused on Americans, politics, and democracy. They create video using real footage, real documents. Trump's own word, others' goals is to show facts clearly and simple. Millions of Americans follow Media Touch on YouTube and social media. These videos often go viral because they are short, sharp, and powerful. This time they released a video that shocked many viewers. What did Media Touch explore? In this video, Media Touch shows several important things. Number one, Trump changed his story. First, they show how Trump keeps changing his story in old clips. Trump said one thing in new clips. He said something completely different. The video played these clips side by side. Many viewers notice the contradictions. They ask a simple questions: Why does his story keep changing? Number two, attacks on institutions. Second, the video showed Trump attacking America institutions. He attacked judges, journalists, prosecutors, even the justice systems. Whenever Trump facts troubles in blames others. The video showed Trump calling everyone unfair, cropped, or fake. This word many Americans. Second, third, playing the victim. Third, the video show how Trump always present himself as a victim. He says everyone is against me. The system is huge. This is what hurt. Media Touch does not add options. They only show Trump on word. Viewers made these own conclusions. How did the video go viral? After the video was released, it spread fast. Public shared it on YouTube, X, Facebook, TikTok. Clips were reposted again and again. Many Americans said this video explained everything. Others say this is why Trump is dangerous. This video reached millions of viewers in a short time, and then Trump responded. Trump responded. Trump did not stay silent, but he response surprised many people. Instead of explanations, calmly, Trump reacted with angry. He used harsh language. He attacked the media. He attacked the people believed the video. He did not clearly deny the fact shown in the video. Instead, he shocked, complained, repeated old clips. Many Americans noticed this. They saw, if the video is false, why not explain calmly? Why did people say Trump lost it? People said Trump lost it for many reasons. Emotional reactions. Trump reaction was emotional, not professional. He sounded angry and defensive. He looked frustrated and stressed. These reasons concern. No clear answer. People expert answers. They wanted facts, but Trump did not give clear explanations. He avoided the main topic raised by the video, repeating the same claims. Trump repeated claims he has made many times before, claims without evidence, claims already questioned by court and experts. This made people doubt him even more. Why this matter in the US? This movement mattered a lot in American politicians. This movement mattered a lot in American politicians. Trump is not just a former president, he is also a political candidate. Americans expect leaders to stay claims under pressures, respect the law, expect criticisms. These solutions made many voters think deeply. Independent voters asked, can he handle leaderships again? Young voter asked, is this the future we want? Media was Trump, a long story. Trump has always had problems with the media. He often called media fake, corrupt enemies. But in the United States, free media is important. Journalists ask questions, media investigate leaders. This is a part of democracy. Many Americans believe if leaders attack the media, democracy is in danger. Public reactions. The public reaction was strong and divided. Supporters say he is being targets. The media mm, ha- hits him. The media hits him. This is unfair. They defended his reactions. Critics say this proves he cannot accept truth. This show he is unstable. This is dangerous behaviors. Voice independent voters were the most important group. They said, we just want honestly, we want claim leaderships, we want facts, not angry. Social media explosions. Some media play a huge role. Short clips from the video went viral. Trump reactions clips were shared everywhere. Hashtags start trending. Many users say media touch cannot attack Trump. They shocked his own word. That line become very popular. Why this video hit hard? This video hit hard because it was simple, no drama, no fake edit, just real clip and fact. Media touch virals. When they see some things with others' own eyes, it matters. That's why this explorer was powerful. What this means for the futures. This movement manifests the futures. Trump image is already conservational. Movement like this increase debates. Political experts say voters remember behaviors as elections got closer. Videos like this matters more. This story is not just about Trump. This video is not about Trump. This video is not about Trump. This is about leadership, truth, and accountability. This media exposed Trump reacted. Trump reacted. The public watched. In a democracy, the people decide what is why story like this are important. Stay informed, stay aware, and always think critically. Thank you for watching my video.